Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying your role and multi-factor access so you can access the right views. This prevents chart errors. Once authenticated, open the EMR client or secure web portal and choose the correct clinic or location to load relevant defaults. Make sure the patient queue and your provider template are active. This speeds documentation. Then load a test chart to confirm permissions, because early checks avoid later rework and protect patient data. You now document the visit by confirming demographics and allergies before adding notes so errors don't propagate. Use structured fields and templates to capture history, exam, and assessment. This enforces coding and billing accuracy. Populate orders and medications through the order entry module, using favorites to save time, and attach labs or imaging requests. Once done, sign or route the note for co-signature. Because proper signatures, finalize legal. Finish by reconciling medications and verifying billing codes so charges are accurate. Close the visit status to remove it from the active queue. Release results, send messages, and schedule follow-up appointments or referrals to complete the care loop. If data is missing or changes didn't save, check your permissions and the chart audit log, then look for autosave drafts. Those steps usually recover entries. If problems persist, contact support with the account, time, and error details to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.